Hi everyone, this is the RGBLink Mini-ISO 10-in-1 video switcher. If you're a streamer, a YouTuber, or you work with videos in general, this device will make your life much easier. It has many inputs and many outputs, and also you can use it to stream in standalone mode without a PC, and also you can record on it in standalone mode without a PC. Now the video that you're seeing is being captured through my camera that is connected via HDMI to this Mini-ISO device, and then the device is connected to my PC with this USB cable, and I'm capturing everything in OBS. So in this video, I'm gonna give you an overview about its connection and how to use it. I'm gonna also show you how to set it up for streaming, because you need to connect it to the Tau cloud of RGBLink, and we'll be testing also its recording on the USB key. And I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on what I like about it and what I don't like about it. So let me start first by showing you what comes in its box. Let's open the box. And this is everything you get in the box. You have a power adapter, USB-C to USB-C cable, a TRRS splitter for microphone and then for headphones, a USB-A cable, and the 10-in-1 RGB-Link switcher. Now I'm gonna give you an overview about its connections and also how to use it. And what I'm gonna do first is that I'm gonna start recording on this USB drive that is connected with a hub to this Mini-ISO RGB-Link. This way we're gonna test the recording at the same time. To start the recording, first make sure that the USB drive was formatted in EXFAT or FAT32. And now press on this menu here and then select output. And you have record here, tap on record, and then tap this button here to start the recording. And now it started the recording. So from now on, the video that you're seeing is a video that is recorded here. So here on the back of the machine, you have 4 HDMI connections, and you have this one is the power connection, which is USB-C cable that you connect to the power adapter that comes with it. And here you have the on-off button also, you can turn it off. And this is the HDMI output for monitoring. So this here is my monitoring screen, and you see everything you need so that you can manage your video output. Now on this side, you have 4 SDI inputs, and on the side of the machine, you have the USB port here that you can connect to your PC, and underneath it, there's an HDMI port to see the output. So this will show you the clean output. And this port here is also a USB port. You can connect to it a hub, as I did here. And in the hub, I put a USB drive, and I've put also the microphone that you're listening to now. So this is a USB-C microphone also that is from RGBLink, and it is the AI Mini. And this is here the network connection so that you can stream directly. And these two here are for the audio. This is for the input if you have an analog microphone, and this here is a headset. You can connect to it the splitter that I showed you in the unboxing, so you can connect an analog microphone and also speakers to it. Now I want to show you the controls a little bit. So I'm gonna go out of the menu. It is still recording now, and you see here you have the main output, and this is the next in line, and these are all the inputs that are connected. So I have my PC here, and I have the camera that you're looking at now, and I have my main camera too. So my main camera is connected to the one input, and my secondary camera that you see now is connected to the second one. And notice when it is red, it means that it is the one that is active. And the third input, I have my PC connected to it. Now to change this camera, that is the next camera to be displayed, you need to press the corresponding button on the second row of the buttons. So let's say I want to put my PC. I press here my PC, and then when I switch like this, my PC will be visible on the screen. Now let's go back so that to show you the mixer once again. Now if I want to put my main camera that is next in line, I press also the button in the second row, and it will be next in line here. Now for the camera that is in line, you have these 2 layers. This is the first layer, and it is blinking now. If you turn it off, it will turn off. Let me turn it back on. And this is the second layer. So for the second layer, once you press it, you enable the second layer, and you choose the second layer by pressing the button that is here. So if I want to put my PC on the top here, I can put it on the top. So let me switch to it. So this here is my PC now, and notice that it is taking the right corner. I'm gonna show you how to put it on the left corner. So let me show you how to do this. Let's go back here to this scene. And then here, what you have to do is to press the S button. And once you press the S button, make sure that the secondary layer is blinking. And then with this lever here, just push it to this side. So let's put it on top. And here it is on top on the right now. So let's see now how it is. And notice now that it is on my left instead of on my right. Now, if you want to remove this picture-in-picture altogether, all you have to do is press the second layer and it will disappear. Now, I want to show you how to change the fading effect. So you have many effects. Go to the home screen here, and then you have another screen here. So you can go to it. You can turn this knob like this, or you can also scroll with your finger. It is a touch screen. And here you have the effect button. So select it. And then here you can choose all the effects you want. So this is, for instance, an effect that will zoom in. So this is how it changed now, the effect. And notice how this is really very smooth and it works really very well. And you have also these knobs here to control the audio. So you have these 4 knobs for the HDMI inputs. And this one here is for the USB input. And this is how I control my microphone. So I can increase the gain or decrease the gain like this. I can mute also. And this is for the analog microphone here. And to stop the recording, press on the record here and then press on stop recording. It takes around 10 seconds to save the recording. Do not remove the USB drive before you see this stop message here. Now also for the recording, I didn't mention that you can choose the quality of the recording by pressing here. So you have high, medium, best, and you can also choose not to record audio if you don't want to. Setting up the streaming on the device has the following steps. First, you need to create a free account on RGBLink's Cloud. Then you're gonna go to the device and make sure that its IP settings are in DHCP and that it is updated. And then we're gonna bind the device to the Cloud. So let me show you first the Cloud's interface. So here it is, and here I created a free account. So you need to go under My Collection and then click on Device, and here we need to bind the device. Let's switch now to the RGBLink Mini-ISO to show you what you need to do there. The first step on the Mini-ISO is to make sure that it is connected to the internet. So let's go to the menu, and then let's go to Settings, and under Settings here, you need to go to IP setting, select it, and make sure that it is DHCP. And then after you choose DHCP, you need to tap on Save, wait a few seconds, turn off the machine, and turn it back on again. And after you do this, go back to Settings and then go to Cloud. And here you see that it is now connected to the internet. Now, if you don't get this verification code, it means that you need to update your device. To update your device, go here until you find Update. I am always under Settings. And when you go to Update, it will check for update. See, now I have the latest version, which is 1.42, and you might have another version, so make sure always to have the latest version. So now let's go back to the Cloud and tap on it once again. And here you need to take this verification code. This is not a unique code, so this code changes, so this is why I'm showing it to you. So now we need to bind this code to the Cloud. So in Cloud, click on Binding Device and name your device whatever you want. So I'm gonna name it Mini-ISO, and then under verification code, put the code. So it is 306-12837. And then let's click on Bind. And here it is bound. Now it says it is offline. So give it a second so for it to be online. So now I'm gonna show you how to set up the streaming on it. Let's go back to the menu here, and then let's go to Output, and let's choose Stream. And you see under Stream you have many settings, so you can change the bit rates here if you want them higher or lower. You can change the mode from horizontal to vertical. Here for the NDI encoder, I don't have a license, so it is grayed out. And you see these streaming addresses. So you can stream up to 4 addresses at the same time. And to upload an address here, this is what you need to do. So I'm gonna switch back to the Tau Cloud. So you need to click on the settings here, and then you need to click on stream. And under stream here, you see that you can add addresses. So here, for instance, if you have your YouTube address here streaming, put it here. And then to put the key, after you put the address for the streaming, let's say, for instance, the streaming is xyz.live. Of course, this is a fictitious address. So you put / here, and then you put the key code, which can be a series of number and letters. So to add the streaming address to the machine and other addresses, if you also populated them, click on distribute here, and then click on confirm. So now if you go to the machine, you're gonna see that it has the new streaming address. Now, if you want to start the streaming, you can start it from here directly, or also you can start it from the Tau Cloud. And to start it from the Tau Cloud, all you have to do is click on air here, and the streaming will start. Now, after testing this Mini-ISO RGBLink machine for a while, I find that it is really a very good machine for streaming and also for recording. So what I like about it is that it has multiple inputs and also multiple outputs, and the transitions are good, and also it is a standalone streamer and also a standalone recorder. Now, what I don't like about it is that its maximum output is Full HD 60 Hz, and also it has a fan that is very loud. Now the fan has speed settings, so you can put the speed setting to a lesser speed, and this way you can bring down the fan noise. But I was afraid that if I put this setting, I will burn the machine, so I kept it on automatic. And also what I don't like about it is that even though it has multiple inputs, so for instance, the SDI one and the HDMI one, you cannot use them together. So you need to choose the one or the other. So in reality, it has 4 inputs only, and also a media input. So a total of 5 input, simultaneous input I'm talking about. And the last thing I don't like about it is that if you want to use NDI streaming in it, you need to purchase an NDI license. I mean, for the price of this machine, it would have been nice if RGBLink included an NDI license in it. If you want to check out this Mini-ISO machine from RGBLink, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.